Questions and people asking me, how do you live stream without an Elgato? How do you get it to work and all of this? So I figured, why not just take a complete video and show you guys how I'm actually live streaming and how it works for me. So I actually open up the Xbox One app, and before you guys say anything, I know you guys are probably looking for the solution to this problem. You're probably thinking, okay, he's just gonna provide me with another solution that I've already tried before. But this is something that I need you guys to take into account. When you run your speed test, and again, obviously everybody really knows the test or the speed of their internet. I get around 300 megabytes per second. So you can do this with ease. It's not any stress to my internet to stream. So if you're under 100 megabytes per second, I would not even consider doing this. Like, they say that it'll work if have slow internet, but it's not going to work. So if you have slow internet, you're getting under 100 megabytes of download and under 10 megabytes of upload, you're not going to get this to work. I tried it. I had to upgrade my internet 3 times to get streaming to work this way. So that's just a hint. You guys can watch the rest of this video. You can still try the solutions, but again, sometimes, most of the time, if you don't have fast internet, it's probably not going to work. What you're going to want to do in OBS is go to the settings menu, and in the settings menu, I hope you guys can see this, yeah. So in the settings menu, what you're going to want to do, and I'll try to make this not as tunneling, you're going to want to go to output, and you're going to want to go to the bitrate, change it from 2000 to 2500, or anywhere from actually 1500 to 2500 if your internet's slow. But if your internet is fast, you can use around 5,000 to 10,000. I use personally 3,500, works for me. Even though my internet is that fast, this works perfectly for me. So leave it there, and then what we're gonna do next is go over to, we're gonna save that obviously, close that out, open up the Xbox One app, start the game stream, Xbox Live parties with people, and then yeah, that's basically it. So then I start out my stream. That's it. My webcam, the settings are pretty simple. I have the green screen behind me. Obviously, you guys can see that the brightness is completely screwed right now, but there you go. So, as you guys can see, the brightness was really bad, but the green screen's behind me, so I'm sitting like right here. I have this, and then I'll take the green screen. What you do is you click on your webcam, you right click on it, click filters on OBS, then you go to chroma key, and then crop and pad obviously too, and then what I'll do is literally just take the chroma key, the green screen's right there, so when the lighting is good, it'll work good, and then I'll have the green screen up. So that's that is how I live stream. And here, let me fix this window, since I have it all types of messed up now. So that's how I stream. Let me show you guys the last little bit. Okay, so there you go. As you guys can see, that's how I do my streams. It's very simple. Not very simple, but it does take a lot of, I guess, prep. But once you get it down, literally all I do is open up OBS, click stream, and it's ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps you out. I hope that you, if you're trying to stream, this helps you. And other than that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'll see you guys next time.